Hello and welcome to this Advanced ICDL Excel video. Today we'll be looking at logical functions. Logical functions are used to calculate whether selected cells meet certain criteria. They produce true or false statements depending on the value within the selected cell or range of cells. So, for example, we have the AND logical function, which can calculate whether a selected cell meets one specified criteria and another specified criteria. We have the OR logical function, whether it meets one specified criteria or another specified criteria, and the NOT function, where the selected cell does not meet a specified criteria. So, all you need for this exercise is three numbers. So you don't need to type in these cells here. You can just type them in A1, 2, and 3, and they can be any number that you choose, but preferably these numbers here. So when you have done that, click in to the next cell, so that would be B1. This will be your answer cell. Once you have done that, click on the Formulas tab, search in the Function Library group, and then select Logical. Now a drop-down menu will appear. Click on AND, and the function arguments dialog box appears. So, what we want to try and find out is if this selected cell is less than 45 and greater than 15. If it is, the value will be true. If it isn't, the value will be false. So the first thing we do is we click on B3, that's the selected cell, that's what we want to test. So now we can do less than 45. So that's one condition. Now we'll try the second logical text box. Click on B3 again, greater than 15. So these are the two criteria that must be met in order for a true answer to be displayed. If these criteria are not met, either one of them, then a false answer will be displayed. So click OK, and then true will appear. This means that this cell 20 meets both criteria that we have entered into the dialog box. Now we'll look at another logical function, the OR function. So we'll click in cell C4, that's our answer cell. So now what we're going to try and find out is whether this cell is less than 30 or greater than 45. So to do that, again on the Formulas tab in the Function Library group, select on Logical and click OR. Now we have to enter in our criteria for each condition. So we'll click on B4, that's the selected cell. So less than 30. And so we know now, according to this, that that is false. This does not mean that this formula will produce a false answer because it's an OR formula. That is, one condition may not be met, but another condition may be met. So we'll click on B4 again, click on greater than 45. Now we see that this condition is true, and now as a result the formula will appear true. Now we will have a look at the not logical function. So click in C5, that's another answer cell. Now we're going to determine whether this cell is greater than 150 or is not greater than 150. So on the Formulas tab in the Function Library group, click on Logical, click on Not. Now what we're trying to find is if it's not greater than 150, or if B5 is not greater than 150, and click OK. And then it displayed a true answer. For more information about advanced Excel features, formulas and functions, click on the link below. This will lead you to the DigiDiscover website, where you can choose from a range of books about Excel or ECDL and Advanced ECDL.